Welcome to the instructions video for the Prop Slip Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you analyze propeller performance by calculating the difference between how far your propeller should theoretically push your boat versus how far it actually travels through the water. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter several key values. First, input your propeller pitch in inches. This is the theoretical distance the prop moves forward in one revolution. Next, enter your engine RPM at cruising speed. Then, input your gear ratio, which is typically found in your boat's specifications. Finally, enter your actual boat speed in miles per hour. For our example, let's use a 21-inch pitch propeller, 4,500 RPM, a gear ratio of 1.5 to 1, and an actual speed of 35 miles per hour. The calculator will determine your theoretical speed and compare it to your actual speed, giving you a slip percentage. A typical slip range is 10 to 20%. Values outside this range may indicate propeller or hull issues. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.